Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making some sugared walnuts for my mother, which, while not an incredibly healthy snack, is healthier than most snacks. I make it out of approximately a half cup of pure cane sugar and 2 cups of walnuts, sometimes more. Depends on how it divides out. Right now, I'll need to wait for the sugar to start melting. But you can add honey or probably a type of syrup like maple syrup or something else for flavor. There's probably a way to do this with pure honey. I have not tried it yet. If I do, I will make a video so we can see how that goes. I'm not going to talk too much for now until the sugar is melted and I'm ready to add the nuts. And if you see I'm using a wooden spoon, it's healthier and it tends to not scrape the pan you're using. Yeah, there it goes. As you can see, it's finally starting to melt the sugar. Once it's melted and starts to caramelize, I will add the walnuts to it and then put it on some foil to cool, which we haven't set out yet. Just make sure when your sugar's melting not to stop stirring or it may burn, which will happen very, very fast. Okay, 2 cups of walnuts. That might smell great, and y'all can't smell it, but Mom does. Although she's not talking for some reason.
Because I can't smell it.
Okay, turn off the fire so it doesn't burn. And try and stir this up so it evenly coats.
You got some
everything.
that don't have any on it right there.
She speaks.
How about that?
Most people use a lot more sugar. I prefer not to. Now, I'm going to try and drop this out on the aluminum foil in smaller pieces. So Mom will have some candy, but as you notice, some pieces just will not separate.
We don't have to be that
easily.
small, so.
Most of it's not going to be that small. They cooled enough already that it does not want to separate, and you can't leave the fire on or it'll burn very quickly. Anyway, just spread it out, let it cool, and you have candy. Hey, let it cool. I guess you can tell Mom likes this a lot.
Been sitting there a while. I thought it was cool.
No, that does not cool off that quickly. And unfortunately, sugar is extremely sticky while it's cooling. So if you get some on you, it will burn. Or I should say, will burn you. That's why I usually drop it in chunks.
Well, just drop it in chunks. But you're not going to have enough room if you keep spreading it out.
You can always break it up after it cools. And plus somebody gets to lick the spoon afterwards. Usually not me, but that's alright. Wanting to harden already.
Just put some there where you have the little pieces. They don't have to be that small.
Okay.
Wahoo! There you have sugared walnuts.